And I know times like this, you just take it slow.
Okay guys, so another new product. This is probably going to be for one of those that have already got everything on the car. So we've got the genuine carbon fuel cap. So petrol or diesel, all the same. We're going to fit this one on R56 today, but these do fit a wide range of cars. BMW's a very vast range of those. If you've got an R53, you'll notice that the rubber holder comes out of the middle, so you would need to remove that, but R56 it fits straight on. So we're going to go with the installation. It's not rocket science on this one, it's fairly easy, but as always, clean up all the surface. So you can see there the glue's on those two outer edges, so obviously these two edges here need to be cleaned, which we've done already. So we're just going to warm that up with the hairdryer and we'll come back to you in a minute. Okay guys, so we've got some nice warmth on that. So we've cleaned it up already, because obviously these get pretty dirty inside there, and obviously the little primer that comes with it, just to put on there, and then you just basically allow this to dry off. Put that on there. So it's always advisable, you can see there that just evaporates off and leaves a nice tacky surface, and we're also going to warm up this as well. So we'll just get that bit of air dryer on there, and you'll notice once these go warm, I won't touch it, but it goes really tacky on the glue there. As you can see, we've pre-peeled the tape. So always when you get these, always rub down the red, because obviously if it's not quite right and you whip it off there, it may pull it off the product. So always give them a good rub down before you start. And then obviously it's just a case, you can see how tacky it's gone now, even the red is hard to pull. So you can see there. So basically, same either way, there's no difference. And all you're going to do is grab that there and slip it on. And there she is, what a difference that makes. So obviously it works the same as before, just twist and pull obviously, because it locks with the car. You can buy these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. Thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing, etc. Keep up the good work obviously on that side of things. Cheers for watching guys.